So other than this pretty pastoral scene here, I wanted to go down to this corner because we got a wildlife encounter. Looks like a snapping turtle is caught in my net. So we got to go rescue it and get it back over there in its natural habitat. So let's get going. So yeah, there's for sure, that's a good sized turtle. He's kind of caught up on that lower wire. Nutmeg hasn't noticed him yet, so I don't know how to mitigate this. I think I'll take her up to the culvert, tie her to one of those posts, and then I can wheel back on over and get the turtle loose. And maybe she won't freak out too much. Kind of surprised she hasn't noticed him yet, but there's a lot of other smells and feels going on out here. And she's been having so much fun catching flies and dragonflies, so let's see how this plays out. All right, well, something up there has got her attention. Let's turn our attention to this turtle. Oh, he's a good sized one. I see the problem. What's up, buddy? Let's get you out of there. Yeah, buddy, I know you're pissed off. We'll get you out of there, though. That's a good sized turtle. What do you think? All right, so you can see right there, turtle's making his way back to the water. Nutmeg could care less. Birds are happy, browsing. Need to get this deer fence zip tied to the face of the electric fence. Keep those smaller birds from just slipping right through the wire. It's hot, it's humid. There's flies everywhere. This is miserable. See the bug net? All right, so halfway back up the hill, I've pulled that section of fence tight so I can get back up there and start zip tying it to the electric fence. I've been out here for an hour already. Tired, hot, I'm grumpy, and I've got nothing done yet because this sucks. Just spent the past 20 minutes trying to get back up that hill. It's downright embarrassing. Glad there's nobody here to watch me struggle. Except for you, Maurice. You understand, don't you, buddy? Thanks for being there. And these birds. And I hear Chachi in the garage. He's not happy because he and Maurice have been fighting. So we got to do something about that.